Hello again, and welcome to Henry's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making Grandma's Yogurty delicious melons. From salad to salsa to fruit, here are some great refreshing dish ideas that you can make with your sweet succulent melons.
Anything after 2002 is fucking Zoomer.
We're going to start by cutting our watermelons in half. And we're just going to scoop out all the seeds and all the sort of yucky stuff in the middle. You know, in Tanzania, there's a tribe of people called the Maasai, where most of their diet consists of drinking raw animal blood, and they live in huts made out of cow shit. What we want to do is we want to strain the water from our yogurt. So I'm just going to put the yogurt on a strainer and let the water drain into the bowl for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, so let's go ahead and put it in a bowl and mix it up with our other ingredients. Let's take our yogurt and put it in a bowl. Four tablespoons of sugar. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to stir it up. It's funny how certain expressions can go out of style. You know, like for example, it's been a long time since I've heard anybody say, "Hey, you look great." Now we're just going to fill in our melon holes with the yogurt mixture. You want to try to keep the yogurt inside the center so you don't fuck up the overall appearance of it. Okay, we're going to put our melons in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes and chill. And then when we're done, we're going to enjoy Grandma's yogurty delicious juicy melons.
The whore of Sausalito. She knows just how to ease your mind. But if you ask her if she loves you, she'll just smile and bat her eyes. For the whore of Sausalito never lies.
Immersion ruined. Someone is filming for him. That means he's not alone. He's only pretending.
She'll just smile and bat her eyes. For the whore of Sausalito never lies.
Delicious. Well, thank you for joining us here in Henry's Kitchen. I'm tuning in next week when we're going to make Henry's flambe banana cakes.
She will smack you like a mule. And if you hail from San Jose, she'll do the same.
Alright.
Objects that I've shoved up my arse.